In today's video we are going to learn about some tips and strategies on how to get overall 9 bands in IELTS. Are you planning to take the IELTS exam and aiming for an overall band score of 9? Achieving a 9 band score in IELTS requires consistent effort and focused preparation. Here are some tips and strategies to help you achieve your goal. Understand the test format. Familiarize yourself with the IELTS test format and structure. The test consists of 4 sections, including listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Understand the duration and format of each section to prepare effectively. Improve your English language skills. Focus on improving your English language skills, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence structure. You can use various resources such as books, online courses, and language exchange programs to improve your language proficiency. Practice regularly. Regular practice is crucial to improve your language skills and perform well in the test. Set a study schedule and practice each section of the test regularly. You can use various practice materials such as mock tests, sample papers, and online practice tests. Focus on time management. Time management is critical to perform well in the test. Practice managing your time effectively to complete each section within the allotted time. In the listening and reading sections, try to skim and scan the text, underline key information, and avoid spending too much time on one question. Enhance your reading skills. The reading section tests your reading skills, including skimming, scanning, and understanding the context. Focus on improving your reading skills by reading academic materials and practicing with sample reading passages. Try to read quickly and identify the main idea of the passage and the author's viewpoint. Improve your listening skills. The listening section requires you to listen to audio recordings and answer questions based on them. Practice listening to various audio recordings, such as lectures, interviews, and podcasts, and take notes to improve your listening skills. Try to focus on the main idea, take notes, and predict the answers before you listen to the next part. Practice writing essays. The writing section tests your writing skills, including grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. Practice writing essays on various topics, including academic and general topics, to improve your writing skills. Try to structure your essay logically, use complex vocabulary, and support your arguments with examples. Enhance your speaking skills. The speaking section requires you to communicate effectively in English. Practice speaking in English with a language partner or a tutor to improve your speaking skills. You can also practice speaking on various topics and record your speaking to analyze your performance. Try to use complex sentences, express your opinion clearly, and answer the questions in detail. In summary, achieving a 9 band score in IELTS requires consistent effort and focused preparation. So, practice regularly, improve your language skills, and stay focused on your goal. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your target score and open up a world of opportunities. Good luck!